Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video I'll show you how I grow these beautiful, lovely looking colored vegetables just around my home. And I didn't really need a lot of land. You're most welcome to this YouTube channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing. If this is the content you love, please stick around, watch this whole video, and we can learn and grow together. And so in this video we are going to learn how to use bags. Now for my case, I was chanced that someone was building a house and he gave me these cement bags for free. But if I'm to buy, I buy each at 500 shillings. If I'm to buy these other sacks, I buy them between 500 to 1000 Uganda shillings. So we pack their soil in each bag. We usually get nice loam soil, so we add it there in our sacks, and then we mix it with manure. The girls were helping me out mix it with manure. After we have mixed it with manure, we organize it and put it in a place where they are supposed to be. If you can see in the background, we already had planted collards, but we wanted to really expand because the demand was so high. These things are really sweet, and so as you can see, I really forgot to film where the nursery bed was and how we transplanted them. But yeah, we did transplant them and put them there, and in each bag we put there about 2-3 seedlings depending on the size of the bag. And this is after 3 days of transplant. They are really nice. They already caught up. This takes a lot of efforts, especially on watering, but yeah, it's worth. Keep watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And so at this point, these vegetables had caught up, and this is about 7 days. Yeah, approximately 1 week. Yeah, they look nice. Yeah, we only kept watering, and they need care. As you can see, I was demonstrating for somebody who had come to learn, and so yeah, they are really nice. You need to plant them. They are so easy, just like you saw me doing the putting soil and everything. As long as you have already put them in their position where they're supposed to be, they just kick on and start growing. So here they had already caught up. We kept on watering them and watering because they really depend on water. If you want them to be healthy, you have to keep watering each and every time. So keep watching and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And be sure to always put them in a place where they can get direct sunlight, because they need sunlight. If they are in a shade, they will just be long. They will actually not do well. So in this video, at this point, they were at 14 days, and this is approximately 2 weeks, and they really look nice. At this point, we give them vegetative fertilizer and insecticide because they get really serious infections at this point, but we control them using an insecticide and foliar fertilizer. As you can see, they are nice, and at 14 days, yeah, and after 21 days, that's approximately 3 weeks, our vegetables are here. They look nice, and someone can even start eating. But I like things which have already matured, so I gave them 1 week so that they could grow really so well. Keep watching, and at this point they don't have even diseases. They are so healthy and nice. And now after 14 days, this is what we have. They are so nice, beautiful. They have all grown. You can't even choose to eat. And yeah, save money that you could have used to buy them. And you can see they have very big leaves, and this time I don't spray it because I just want to be much organic as possible. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed.